I've always been fascinated by puzzles that seem impossible at first glance. And the alien hat puzzle is a prime example. Let me tell you about 10 humans captured by aliens who are considering them for their next meal. But there's a catch. The humans are lined up, shortest to tallest, each wearing either a black or white hat. They can see the hats in front of them, but not their own or those behind. Starting from the back, each person must guess their hat color. The twist: if at least 9 guess correctly, they all go free. But here's the kicker: they can only say black or white. No other communication allowed. When I first heard this, I thought, there's no way they can solve this. But that's where the beauty of logic comes in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The key to survival isn't just in guessing. It's in using those 2 simple words, black and white, to convey more information. The group's strategy hinges on the tallest person. They count the black hats they see. If it's an even number, they say white. If it's odd, black. This single piece of information, the parity of black hats, becomes the lifeline for everyone else. Each subsequent person can use this, combined with what they see, to deduce their own hat color. It's a beautiful dance of logic and cooperation, turning a seemingly impossible task into a solvable problem. When I finally understood this solution, it felt like unlocking a secret code of the universe.